Hey guys, I'm here to show you how to do a merge from Google Sheet to a Google Doc. We're going to use one of the add-ons in Google Sheets called AutoCrat. AutoCrat is an add-on created by CloudLab New Visions. You can go to cloudlab.newvisions.org to find out more information about this add-on. If you just go to add-ons, AutoCrat, you can see here there's more information about AutoCrat. AutoCrat is an add-on that will take information from Google Sheets and will automate them to a Google Doc and will also allow you to email the information. This is slightly different than another add-on called called Formule, in which we will look at in another video. So with AutoCrat, it's a multi-step process with this add-on, and doesn't mean that it's very complicated, but there's a few things that we need to do to set it up. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to go to our add-ons and we need to get our add-ons. So we go to get add-ons and we will type in AutoCrat and we will get AutoCrat. Mine says manage because I've already added it in here. So once you've added it on, you will make sure you allow it, and then you will go back to add-ons, click AutoCrat, and then click start or launch. Once you click launch, you will see AutoCrat on the left side, and then it will say new merge job. When you click on New Merge Job, it will come up with a pop-up saying that do you want to create a new example template or choose a template from the drive. It's basically saying that do you want to create a new template for all the information to merge to, or do you already have one? So what you need to do is, if you don't already have something that all the information is going to merge to, you're going to need to create this. So when you're creating this, you have to use what are called these merge tags. These are just the little caret symbols to the left and the right of your headers on your sheet. So the best way to do this, if you X out of this, and you'll have to open up a new Google Doc. File, new, document. If you copy the rows that you have up top here, so you can see these are the 4 rows that I have. Sorry, the 5 rows I have. Okay. And if I take this information and I copy it over here, I'll take my timestamp, copy that here, put my 2 carets in the front, my 2 carets in the back, and then I go down and I have name, I have my 2 carets in the front, my 2 carets in the back. We do the same thing for district, front, back, role in district. Oops. Questions, email, oops. Sorry about that. There we go. And location. And now you can delete your table at the top. Okay. And once we just name this document, so this will be our questions document, we can go back to our spreadsheet. If we click back on New Merge Job, then we click on Choose Our Template from the drive. Find our document, and I can see that it's right here. Select it, and then it's going to ask us to choose our fields. So once I name it, okay, you can name it whatever you choose. Choose the sheet that has our data. It's going to be this first one here. All these will match up. Click on save, and then I can choose whatever I want to name our merge. So this can be AutoCrat questions, and then I'm going to say that this is going to be, if I use the $ and then CURRDATE, capital DATE, that'll give us the current date. I want to select the file to merge into a Google Doc, and now I can choose if I want to have this information emailed or shared to a specific person. So if you want to have it emailed, you can at this point. You also have some advanced settings to have for timestamping, adding to a specific folder, and also to have it running when forms are submitted. So I'm going to choose to have it running when forms are submitted, but I'm not going to email it to anybody at this present moment. I'm going to hit save. And I can see here that it shows the document. I can preview it. And I can see here's the merge. If I'm satisfied with how it looks, I can go back and I can run it. If I still need to edit the template, I can go back and I can edit the template. So that looks good to me. I'm going to run my merge. So it's evaluating my rows right now. It's now merged 1 of 10. So as you can see, it moves quite quickly. And it's going to merge all this information into my document right here. So you can see that this is a slightly different merge than what we're going to look at in our other video, which is Formule, which will allow it to just merge straight to an email address. If I click OK, I can click here on my document now. Okay. This was our template. And if I go into my Google Drive at this point, apologize, wrong drive. There we go. AutoCrat questions. Here we go. This is our merged document. And you can see in my Google Drive, it merges each document independently. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, as there were 10 different forms that were filled out on my sheet. Okay. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I look forward to hearing from you in the future.